Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching Technical World. iOS 15.2.1 is out now. Today in this video we will talking about what's new in iOS 15.2.1 and also some setting to prevent battery draining issue in iOS 15.2.1. So without any further delay, let's start. First of all, I'm going to show you what we have in iOS 15.2.1. Before the update, I have some screenshot. Let me show you. iPhone and software version 15.2. Available space 43.76 and the modern firmware is 9.01.00. Now what we have in new 15.2.1, 43.54, and the modern firmware is also same 9.01.00, mean we don't have anything new in iOS 15.2.1. Now move to the second step to save battery life or prevent battery draining issue in iOS 15.2.1. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings, turn off Bluetooth if it's not connected, turn off Wi-Fi if also not connected, and same thing we have to do with mobile or cellular data if we are not using. Then scroll, find and tap on privacy and tap location services, scroll and tap system services. Here we have to find and tap on significant location. We have to turn off this option because this feature is always tracking your location. So this is the major issue to prevent your battery life or battery draining in iPhone. Now we have to go back and turn off location services. Tap on tracking. Also allow app to request to track is turned off. Now go back to settings, tap on battery, try to use low power mode. Go back to settings and tap wallpaper and tap choose a new wallpaper, tap stills and select black. Set both. Settings, tap on journal, tap background app refresh, disable low power mode, settings, background app refresh, tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Go back to settings, tap on notification and disable unnecessary notification, mean if you have a lot of notification from any app and they are unnecessary, disable them. Go back to settings, tap on general and tap iPhone storage, and we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, mean you have enough free space in iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Here we also change some Safari setting. Go back to settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, we have to under setting for website. First we have to tap on camera and select ask, mean we are not allowed to access any website to access our camera. Same thing that we have to do with microphone and the location as well. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.